Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve class 12 English paper part 2 objective questions set C। इंग्लिश का ये पेपर आज 11/4/2022 को हुआ था हरियाणा बोर्ड का। तो स्टूडेंट्स आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा क्लास 12 इंग्लिश का पेपर पार्ट 2 सेट सी। इसमें सबसे पहले है रीडिंग स्किल्स। A. Read the following passages A, B, and C and answer the questions that follow. Do any two passages. तो आपको दो पैसेज करने हैं। हम पैसेज के सिर्फ आंसर सॉल्व करेंगे। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं पैसेज ए। क्वेश्चंस, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द ट्रू एम ऑफ एजुकेशन? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, इट शुड प्रोवाइड ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट। Question 2. Education should give training to our head, hands, heart. So all are correct. D option, all of the above. Question 3. Even after graduation, what do the students not know? Option A, what they want to be. Question 4. In comparison to the old one, the new education policy is practical oriented. Option B. Question 5. When will a child be able to choose his career options? Correct answer is option C, from 6th standard. Now passage B, related to traffic rules. Questions, choose the correct option. 6th, what compels all of us? Correct answer is option B, the question about traffic rules. Question 7, when do we wear a helmet? Answer is option C, when we see a policeman. Now question 8, when do we tie a seat belt? Option B, when we enter from Haryana to Delhi. Now ninth one, what is the purpose of helmet and seat belt? Option C, they save us from injury during accident. Question 10, how many pillions are seen sometimes on a motorbike? Option B, 2 to 3 pillions. Now there is passage C. We shall solve questions of passage C. Questions, choose the correct option. 11th, what does Nehru not want after his death? Option C, any religious ceremonies. Question 12, how does Nehru want his body to be disposed of if he dies in a foreign country? Option B, he wants to be cremated there and his ashes brought to India. Now question 13, where does Nehru want a handful of his ashes to be thrown into the Ganga? Option B. Now question 14, why does Nehru want a handful of his ashes to be thrown into Ganga? Option C, because Nehru was attached to the Ganga since his childhood. Question 15, when I die, I should like my body to be cremated. Option A is correct. Now grammar. B, do as directed. A, use suitable articles. Question 16, I am not an SHO. Option D is correct. Now question 17, what a fine weather it is today. Option A is correct. Now question 18, the birds fly in the sky. Option C, the is correct. Now B, use suitable models any two. The weather is not fine, we shouldn't go to the park. Option A, shouldn't is correct. Now question 20, she can speak 3 languages. Option C, can is correct. Question 21, you must consult some doctor. Option A, must is correct. C, use correct form of verb any two. Question 22, 3 persons dash to visit our home every Sunday. Option A, come is correct. Question 23, he dash in our village for 2 years. Correct answer option D, has been living. 24, the new teacher dashes for 6 months. Correct answer is option B, has been teaching. D, change the voice any two. 25, Rishi is writing a letter. Correct answer is option B, a letter is being written by Rishi. Now 26, we bought a new mobile. Correct answer is option C, a new mobile was bought by us. Question 27, you must take exercise. Correct answer is option A, exercise must be taken by you. Now E, change the narration any two. Question 28, he said to me honesty is the best policy. Correct answer is option C, he told me that honesty is the best policy. 29, he said to me, comma, inverted commas, thank you. Correct answer is option C, he thanked me. Question 30, he said God is great. Correct answer is option A. He said that God is great. Now approach C. Read the passage given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. Questions. Choose the correct option. Question 31. What is the name of the lesson of these lines? B. Deep water. Question 32. Who is the writer of these lines? B. William Douglas. Question 33. What is the full form of YMCA? Correct answer is option B. Young Men Christian Association. Now question 34. How did the author paddle? C. With water wings. 35. What happened when writer was just beginning to feel at ease? C. Misadventure. Now there is another passage in the or. Questions. Choose the correct option. 36. Name the chapter of these lines. Option C. Lost Spring. Question 37. What is the name of the writer of these lines? Option B. Anis Jung. Question 38. Which place is situated in the periphery of Delhi according to the passage? Correct answer is option D. Simapuri. Question 39. Where from did the squatters come? Option C. Bangladesh. Question 40. How many rag pickers live in the periphery of Simapuri? Option B. 10,000. Now poetry D. Read the stanza given below and answer the questions that follow. Questions. Choose the correct option. 41. What is the name of the poem? Option D. Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. 42. What is the name of the poet? Option D. Adrian Rich. 43. What was the aunt mastered by? Option C. By ordeals. Now 44. The tigers in the panel will go on. Option A. Prancing. Option B. Proud. Option C. Unafraid. Option D. All of them. Correct answer is option D. All of them. 45. Where are the tigers? Option B. On the panel. Now there is another stanza in the form of or. Questions. Choose the correct option. 46. Name the poem. Poem is option C. A roadside. Now question 47. Name the poet. Answer is B. Robert Frost. 48. What do the readers or listeners have? Option B. Beauty. 49. What is found in the beautiful mountain scene? B. Golden squares. 50. Where does the beauty rest? Option C. In a beautiful mountain scene. Now answer the following questions from the options given below. 51. Who stole the old man's money? Option C. The rat trap seller. 52. Who were the owners of the most of the arable land in Champaran? C. Option Englishmen. Question 53. Who was appointed for learning swimming? D. Trainer. 54. What did Mukesh want to become? C. A motor driver. 55. What is the meaning of Sahib-e-Alam? Option C. Lord of Universe. Now F. Answer the following questions from the options given below. 56. The name of the main character in the third level is option A. Charlie. 57. The American soldier was found by Dr. Sadao and Hannah near by the seashore. Option C. 58. Jack told the story of a dash on that day. Correct answer is option D. Roger Skunk. 59. People avoid dairy because of a scar on his face. 60. What was there in rubber ring oblique tube brought by McLary? Answer is option C. Pig's blood. So students, today we solved class 12 सेट सी इंग्लिश पेपर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.